So in this video, we'll be looking at how to place windows in projects, basically how to insert them into our walls. Okay, so in this video, we'll be looking at windows. As you can see here, we have the external walls, we have the internal walls, and we can now put in the windows without doing too much modification afterwards. As you can see, we have, I'll move to my ground floor view. I am going out to my architecture tab, and then I'm selecting windows because that's what I want to put in. In my type selector, I select the window I want, and for this exercise, we're using the 1212 by 1212 single light, and that means it's a window that we can open, but without a defined direction in this case. I can set the cell height, that means how high the window is placed in a wall. We can do that before, we can do it after. For this one, I'll just keep it at 800 at the moment, and then I'll start to place the windows. And basically what we do is, we can see there is a small stop sign when I'm outside of a wall. As soon as I get into a wall, I can place my window. Windows have an external and an internal side. It's important that we turn it the right way around. So in this case, I want to push towards the outside of the wall to make it fit. And then I just place it like this. And we'll place one here. Note up here in my modify placement window, there's something called tag on placement. That basically means that if I turn that on, as soon as I place a window, I'll have a window tag with the proper signature. We can turn that on and off. If I, by accident, have turned it on and want to delete it, place all the windows. There we go. I can mark them up by holding Control and press Delete. If I want to tag the window afterwards, we can go up here and say tag by category, hover over window, and we have the window. Note here that in the control line, then we can add or remove leader and adjust the various things we need. So that's placing the windows. Now I just threw them in quickly, and of course, like we've done before, we need to make them fit. So I use my temporary dimensions. There we go. And remember that it's the thing or the object you've marked that we move around. And this one needs to be 1668. And you'll find the numbers or the right dimensions, you'll find them in your PDF file. And of course, we can again, down here, it will be 1188. And press here. Another thing we could do was to use modify and, for example, align, and then align one part of the window with the other part. Then we can actually lock them up. So if I move one, I move the other. So that's an alternative way to do it. The last one here, I just need to see what that should be. That should be 1488. There we go. So now at least some of the windows are placed in the right place. Then I need 3 small windows over here, which we'll address in a later video.